Yes, ma'am. The last
5
exercise
to
of
25.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. Manthan, Gira, Yashna, Aryan. Children, have you worked in Kahoot with Priyanka ma'am?
What?
Kahoot mein have you worked with in Kahoot with Priyanka ma'am?
Ma'am, what is Kahoot?
Not heard. Okay.
No, not now.
Okay. Kahoot is also like your online. It may not be exam, fun exam. Okay, fun exam. Hurry up. Ronit.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ronit.
Good morning, ma'am.
25 participants. Anna is not here. Abir is not here. Akshat is here. Manish is here. Yes.
Ma'am, I want to say that the day before yesterday I was absent as I was not well. Please tell me what we have done.
Beta, I have posted in Google Classroom. Don't check Google Classroom.
Ma'am, I have sent the request on the classroom that please add another ID and for the my father's phone because my father go outside to the work and I have no time to do the check. So ma'am, please add this phone ID.
Okay. In group, class group,
Ma'am? Ma'am, I have sent that please Gira59@gmail.com and remove group.
Put this in class group, beta. You're not audible, much audible here. Clearly audible nahi hai aap. You put everything in your class group. I'll talk to you. Okay. आप मुझे ठीक से सुनाएं. I am not able to hear you properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Put everything in class group. Is Safira here? Safira? Is Safira here?
No, ma'am.
Deepika is not here. Himnish has joined? No. Himnish. Not yet. Madhav not yet. Nehal not yet. Nikunj not yet. Parlin. Parlin. Parlin has. Okay. Safira has also joined. Then Raisa is not here. Rishank is not here. Riya Sharma is not here. Sarthak Jain is here. Shivam Tiwari is not here. Shubh. Has Shubh joined? Shubh is here. Speak up.
Ma'am.
Yes. Shubh, you missed a lot of classes. Shubh, you missed a lot of classes.
Ma'am, yes.
Why? Reply, beta. Why? If you miss your classes, now we are finished 2 chapters. I was planning I'll at least do half of the next chapter also. 4th chapter we have to start with. Some at least first exercise of 4th chapter also will finish up. अगर normal school चलता तो हम पूरी first exercise पूरी 4 chapter पूरा करते. थोड़ा सा slow हो गया normal school नहीं चलने की वजह से. That's why
4th chapter तो वैसे भी बहुत छोटा है मैम.
छोटा तो है बट ये आपको नहीं आता ना बेटा. It's new. Class 7th all topics are new. They take time. Class 7th all topics are new. They take time. I am just clicking the pic of the attendance. I will check afterwards. There is some confusion in the attendance today. I'll take it afterwards. I hope nobody else is joining now. I hope so. Nishtha, you are also very irregular. Nishtha. Nishtha. Where is Nishtha? Speak up, Nishtha. You're also very irregular. Why? बेटा क्लास अटेंड नहीं करोगे तो समझ कैसे आएगा? No, you'll not be able to complete your work. You'll not be able to cope up with the whole class.
Ma'am, I am also present, ma'am.
Pranay. I think I have marked him present only. Let me check. Yes, I have marked you present. Only Shivam I have marked absent. Vansh, Riya, Nikunj, Nehal, Himnish, Deepika, Basim, Abir and Arna. Himnish is joining. Vanshika, I think she got disconnected. And Madhav is also joining today. Madhav is also very irregular. So I can see 31 children right now, 32 children right now. Yes, children. I am starting with the exercise. I'll start with the exercise. Exercise 2.5. Is there anybody who has query in any other exercise left? We have done till now.
No, ma'am.
2.5, 2.6,
No.
2.5 we have
No.
done. 2.6, 2.7 means division.
मेरे को लास्ट क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम थी.
Last question में problem थी. Let me see. What was the last question?
मैम वो divide 89.1 divided by 2.2.
89.1 divided by 2.2. You could not understand.
Yes मैम क्योंकि 2 और 81 तो कितने भी डिवाइड होंगे 2 और 81?
11. They will go by 11. Both the numbers will go by 11 first. Okay, then you have to divide. Actually, this is an example given in your book. ये आपका example है, book का example 11. Okay? नहीं आएगा तो मैम दोबारा बताएंगे, एक बार चेक करना खुद. Now I am starting with 2.5. I am changing the view of my laptop.
मैम मुझे आपने असाइनमेंट भेजी थी ना, वो वाली मैम, उसके अंदर से मुझे वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स का लास्ट क्वेश्चन नहीं आ रहा.
आपने ग्रुप में डालना बेटा, ग्रुप में डालोगे तो मैम अगली बार बोर्ड पे करवा देंगे वही वाले क्वेश्चंस. जिसमें प्रॉब्लम है you can put in the group. Okay, we'll do those questions.
Okay
beta. Right now I don't have the assignment in my hand. I'll do. Don't worry. Let me check. Yes, children, you are able to see the board. I'll erase the board. Okay, children. I will start with exercise 2.5. First question is, which is greater? Exercise 2.5. Question number 1. Which is greater? I am doing few parts, like first part is 0.5 or 0.05. How do we go for it? What we will do is, I will draw a straight line in between. I will write this in expanded form, like this. Is there anybody in the class who has query in writing expanded form?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now we will compare. One's place is equal, one's place are same. Then tens place. 10th place. 10th place. I got 10th place greater here. I got 10th place greater here. So I will stop my process. So it means 0.5 is greater. 0.5 is greater than 0.05. 0.05. I'll also explain you the meaning of both. What do you mean by 0.5? What do you mean by 0.05? See, 0.5 means if you have one item, you divide it into two. Or you can say, make 10 pieces of an article and take 5 out of them. And here it means make 100 pieces of an item and take 5 out of them. Definitely this is going to be smaller. एक आइटम का 100 पीसेस किया, 5 पीसेस उठाया, एक आइटम ने 10 पीसेस किया, 5 पीसेस पिक किया, it is going to be greater. Okay? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
No, ma'am.
I'll do few
No,
more.
ma'am.
Don't worry. I'm doing 4th part. 1.37 or 1.49. Again, same way. 1 plus 3 upon 10 plus 7 upon 100. बेटा I have space constraint. मैम के पास थोड़ा स्पेस कम है तो मैम वहाँ पे भी यूज करेंगे. आप
मैम इसमें तो हम डायरेक्टली पता चल जाता है कौन सा बड़ा है.
डायरेक्टली नहीं लिखना.
मैं डायरेक्टली पता चल जाता है.
वहाँ पे लिखा होगा वर्किंग.
पूरा प्रोसेस पहले दिखाना होता है इसलिए.
हाँ जी, ठीक है. 1 is equal to 1. 3 upon 10 is less than 4 upon 10. I will stop here only. I come to know 1.49 is greater. Ma'am is writing answer here because I don't have much space. अब नीचे space नहीं बचा मैम के पास. आप next line में लिखेंगे. और if you want I can write लिखती हूँ. 1.49 visible है ना. 1.49 is greater. You'll not find it difficult. It's easy. मंथन आप मुझसे ग्रुप में बात करना बेटा. आपकी आवाज मुझे ना क्लियर नहीं आ रही थी अभी. टॉक टू मी इन क्लास ग्रुप.
Okay, ma'am.
Otherwise I put everything in Google Classroom and I also have recordings. Everybody knows in the class I also have recordings.
Yes, you are now recording.
You can view there also. You can view there also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Every class is being recorded and put there date wise. Children, if you are done, I can move to the next question.
Yes, ma'am. You can move to the next question.
Yes, ma'am. You can move to the next question.
Very good.
Yes.
Question number 2 is express as rupees using decimals. All the values given in the 5 parts, you have to express the answer in rupees. I'll do few parts. Suppose the question is 7 paisa. 1 paisa. First you will write how many paisas are, rupees are there. You will write like this. This is very important. 1 paisa is equal to rupees 0.01. अभी तक आप उल्टा लिखते थे. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Now this is an exercise of decimal. So I will express paisa in terms of rupee. Now 7 paisa will be 0.01 into 7. इसलिए आपको मैम ने पहले मल्टीप्लाई सिखाया था. Okay? Is there anybody in the class who has query? बेटा प्लीज पूछेंगे अगर क्वेरी है तो किसी को.
मैम पर ये तो हम डायरेक्टली भी कर सकते थे, तो मैम इसको ये शो करना जरूरी है. अगर हमने डायरेक्टली लिख दिया तो कुछ
डायरेक्टली में
हाँ,
आप
तो
नहीं लिखोगे.
ये लिखा
डायरेक्टली में 1 रुपीज को 100 पैसा नहीं लिखोगे. आपको रुपी को पैसे
अच्छा।
में कन्वर्ट नहीं करना, पैसे को रुपी में कन्वर्ट करना है, हम ये कह रहे हैं आपको।
ओके
अभी तक
ओके
आपने
ओके
पहले रुपीस को पैसों में किया होगा, पैसों को रुपीस में करना है, इसलिए पॉइंट लगाया। ये आप डिवाइड करके दिखाओगे 7/100। ओके,
ओके ठीक है। यस मैम। ओके
नेक्स्ट इज 77 रुपीज 77 पैसा। जैसे हम पहले क्वेश्चन करते हैं किलोमीटर मीटर वाले, इसमें इसको टच नहीं करेंगे, इसको, ये तो ऑलरेडी रुपीस में ही है, only this is to be converted. If you want, you can skip this step, you can write this directly like this, plus rupees 0.01 into 77. So you will get rupees 77 plus rupees 0.77. When I multiply 77 with 0.01, I got 0.77. And the answer comes out, we have to add these like this. देख रहे हैं आप, ये और ये सेम चीज तो है। We normally write like this. Rupees 77.77. 77 is पैसा. This step is important, multiplying by 0.01, the paisa part. If anybody has query, he or she can raise his hand.
Ma'am, can you explain this part once again? I didn't understand.
Okay, let me see what's the problem. This is 77 rupees, 77 paisa. 77 rupees is already in rupees, no need to make any change. 77 paisa was to be converted into 77 in rupees. So I multiplied it by 0.01. मतलब ये है जब भी पैसे को रुपये में कन्वर्ट करना है उसको 0.01 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, 0.01 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके
यस मैम. तो मैम 0.01 से मल्टीप्लाई कर हमें 0.77 आया, आंसर मिला. और मैम फिर हमने ये ऐसे ही क्यों लिख दिया रुपीज 77.77? हमने ऐड क्यों नहीं किया इन दोनों 77 को?
ऐड तो किया है,
77 को
ऐड तो किया. ऐड कैसे करते हो? करके देखो, ऐड करके देखो, ऐड करके देखो.
मैम आई अंडरस्टूड. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है.
ओके, ऐड करा है.
ओके 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 मैम, थैंक यू.
डेसिमल एडिंग करते वक्त डेसिमल पार्ट को डेसिमल पार्ट से करेंगे और होल पार्ट को होल से ऐड करेंगे. ये तो आपको मालूम है बात, ठीक है? ऐड करते वक्त व्हेन वी आर एडिंग वी हैव टू ऐड होल पार्ट विद होल एंड डेसिमल पार्ट विद डेसिमल. Let me do one more part if you have done this. Done this, I will do one more part.
I'm done.
Okay.
And then yeah, you can do the another part.
You can do next.
I am doing fifth part. I am doing fifth part.
Okay, ma'am.
235 paisa. 235 paisa is to be converted into rupees. Directly or if you want you can write the conversion part. 1 rupee, 1 paisa is equal to rupees 0.01. Then 235 paisa is equal to, इसीलिए मैम ने मल्टीप्लाई पहले सिखाया आपको. 235 1 जा 235, but 2 places after decimal, so rupees 2.35. Rupees 2.35. Ronit, please focus in the class.
मैम हम इसे फ्रैक्शन में भी लिख सकते हैं ना, 2.35 डिवाइडेड बाय 100.
नहीं, आप
नहीं, फ्रैक्शन में नहीं लिख सकते रचित, क्योंकि वो उसमें है, डेसिमल पार्ट में है.
He's saying पहले डिवाइड कर दो उसके बाद ये लिखूं, ऐसे कह रहे हो ना रचित आप? फर्स्ट स्टेप में डिवाइड करके आप इसको डेसिमल में तो लिखना ही है, लिखा है क्वेश्चन में।
मैम इसके नीचे हम 100 लिख देते ना, तो फिर उसे अगर हम पॉइंट लगा देंगे तो 2.35 ही तो आएगा, अगर हम 235 पैसे को।
लेकिन आंसर आपको डेसिमल में ही देना है। क्वेश्चन
मैम डेसिमल में ही है।
हाँ समझ आ गई आपकी बात। ही इज सेइंग इफ यू डिवाइड दिस बाय 100 यू विल गेट दिस, दैट्स आल्सो फाइन। Now conversion of centimeter in meter and kilometer. Centimeter, let's make the table again. Do you all remember this table? When we move right, we multiply. When we move left, we divide. This is very important. Now they are saying first part, express 5 centimeter into meter. First part ये है. First part में भी 2 parts हैं बेटा. 5 centimeter into kilometer. First part also has 2 parts. You have to convert 5 centimeter into meter also, 5 centimeter into kilometer also. Centimeter to meter means I have to move.
मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही।
आवाज नहीं आ रही? How come?
मैम
आ रही है।
मैम आ रही है।
मैम आवाज नहीं आ रही किसी
आवाज
की।
आ रही है,
आ रही है।
अच्छी आ रही है।
Wait.
क्लियर आ रही है।
अब चेक करो, am I audible? Show it by thumb. Show it by thumb. Am I audible? Yes. Because you all unmute yourself. Unmute करते ही सारे में आवाज start echoing. Okay. Now look beta. If I have to convert centimeter into meter, I have to move 2 steps left. It means I have to divide by 100. I have to divide by 100. I will divide this by 100 to convert in meter. I'll get 0.05. The answer is 0.05. If anybody has query, he or she can raise his hand. If anybody has any query, he or she can raise his hand. तवलीन, 1 मिनट। हाँ जी तवलीन बोलो बेटा।
Ma'am, actually I didn't understand this part, this question.
Have you drawn this table?
Yes, ma'am.
सेंटीमीटर से मीटर में आते हैं तो डिवाइड करते हैं। 2 स्टेप्स लेफ्ट आए तो 100 से डिवाइड किया, ये बताया मैम ने आपको। ये तो हमको आपको छोटी क्लास में बता चुके हैं ऑलरेडी। वैसे तो हम राइट में आगे जाते हैं तो मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, पीछे आते हैं तो डिवाइड करते हैं। ठीक है, हमने 100 से डिवाइड किया 5 को। 5 सेंटीमीटर था ये। 1 स्टेप 2 स्टेप्स तो हमने से डिवाइड किया तो वी गॉट 0.05 मीटर। Who else? Let me check. याशना, हाँ जी बोलो। याशना।
Ma'am, done the next question. Next part. Can I tell?
Okay. Wait. How many steps now we have to come for kilometer? Check करो बेटा। 1,
1,000.
2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps we have to come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 centimeter. I have to convert in kilometers. 5 zeros will be put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So decimal will be put accordingly.
Meter. Ma'am,
Centimeter.
5 meter or centimeter?
Yes, same question है। सेंटीमीटर 5 सेंटीमीटर को मीटर में भी कन्वर्ट करना है, 5 सेंटीमीटर को किलोमीटर में भी चेंज करना है। ओके
Ma'am, I thought it's meter.
ओके फाइन। I knew you have by mistake you have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. This is not very easy. Please just try to understand. तो मैम को ना नेक्स्ट पार्ट भी इसी के नीचे करना होगा क्योंकि नेक्स्ट में भी कन्वर्जन है. I use this table again. Please call note down. And if you have query, Himnish is coming again. Okay. Hurry up, children. I have to do second part. I want to do second part also. And now I have to convert millimeter in centimeter also, meter also, kilometer also. I will use this table again. If you permit me, if you have copied, I want to erase. Have you all done? You can show it by thumb if you have done.
I'm done.
Okay. I will not erase the table. The part says express 35 millimeter into centimeter. This is A part. इसी के 3 parts हैं. 35 millimeter into meter and 35 millimeter into kilometer. Ma'am has given the question here. Now let's see if I have to go from millimeter to centimeter. How many steps I am moving? How many steps I am moving? Wait. Tableen. Children, please put your videos on. If possible, if there is no network issue, put your videos on. हाँ जी तबलीन बोलो. Tableen, you have raised the hand.
This is which part? Ma'am, yes.
Question
Ma'am,
number
this is
3,
which part?
second part. Second part के 3 सब parts हैं. Question number 3, second part, सब parts हैं उसके. इसके लिए आपने मुझे बोला कौन सा पार्ट है बेटा, समझने के मत. Only raise your hand if you have query. Okay, Himnish, don't worry. Oh my God, Nikunj is coming now, 5 minutes before the class. Now children, tell me, Chirag, how many steps I am moving if I have to move from millimeter to centimeter?
Ma'am, if we have to move from millimeter to centimeter, we will cover, ma'am, 1 step.
1 step. So I have to divide by 10. I have to divide by 10. 35 millimeter will be 35 divided by 10. So it will be 3.5. It will be 3.5 centimeter. Am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Let me ask somebody else. Akshat. Akshat. Where is Akshat? Kashvi. Kashvi Kumar.
Ma'am, the second one would be 0.035.
We have to divide by. पहले किससे divide करेंगे बच्चे वो बताओ.
Ma'am, meter, and there would be, it would be divided 3 places.
1, 2, 3. 1,000. Okay.
0.035.
0, 1, 2, 3. 0.035 meter. 0.035. Now millimeter to kilometer. It's a long jump.
Ma'am, can I tell? 6
Hello?
places.
6 places. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros will be put. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you divide by 6 zeros, decimal will come like this. 0.035. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros and then 3 5s. So the answer is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 35. 3 5. Please don't talk. Parents are requested. Parents are requested not to talk at the back. Let me see how much time is left. We have time. Can I do one more part? Now, question number 4 is homework. You have to convert all of them in kilogram. You will draw the same kind of table: kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram, and you will apply the same formula. If you have to move that many steps, you will divide that by that much zeros. Okay? Let me tell you question number 5. Question number 5. Very easy. Expanded form हमने अभी expanded form question number 1 में की भी है. You will enjoy it. First part is 20.03. You do like this: 2 into 10. This is called expanded form. This is called expanded form. Is there anybody who has query in this? Place value: 2 tens, 0 ones, 0 tenth, 3 hundredth. Anybody has query? He or she can raise his hand if anybody has query. Anish, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Daksh?
Yes, ma'am.
समझ आया है?
Yes, ma'am. आगे मन समझ.
Sarthak, please change your name as it is mentioned in your school records. Manas has raised his hand. Manas. I cannot see Manas. Wait. Please put your videos on. It's difficult for me to find you people otherwise. Who is this? Is this Manas only?
Yes, ma'am. I was saying that मैम जब हमने 2 into 10 किया तो मैम हमारे पास जब 20 आ गया तो फिर हमने 0 into 1 क्यों किया?
Expanded form means place value के साथ multiply करते हैं. Expanded form है ये. कुछ करा नहीं है, आपने सिर्फ expand करके दिखाया है. This is the way of expressing a number in expanded form. हमने छोटे बचपन में बहुत क्वेश्चंस किए हैं, ऐसे किया नहीं है. 1 into 1000 plus 7 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 5 into 1. This is expanded form. This is expanded form. समझ आइए मानस? Manas, have you understood? Where is Manas gone? The video on नहीं करते हैं. It's so difficult to find children. हाँ जी, Manas understood? एक और part.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
200.3. 2 into 100 plus 0 into 10 plus 0 into 1 plus 3 into 1 upon 10. You have to multiply each value with its place value. Value, place value. Value, place value. Value, place value. Next. How much time is left? Can anybody see? I'm not able to see. No, let me just see. Write the place value of 2 in the following decimal numbers. Write the place value of 2 in the following place value, following numbers. I am writing few numbers and we have to tell its place value. Very simple. Here. Look here. What is the place value of 2 in this? Somebody from your side. What is the place value of 2 here? Sarthak Jain. कुछ नहीं बोलते हैं. Tavleen बोलो.
Ma'am, tens.
Ones. 2 है ना बेटा?
Ma'am, one, sorry.
Ones. Place value is ones. Now here,
Ma'am, can I tell?
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, 10.
Ma'am, tens.
Tens. Tens. Simple. So you will complete till question number 6. You will complete till question number 6. Let me just change the view of my laptop. Let me change the view of my laptop. Nikunj, where is Nikunj? I want to talk to him. 29 हो गए, गायब हो जाते हैं में से अब. Nikunj, why did you join so late? Nikunj, why did you join so late?
मैम
हाँ जी.
मैम मेरा मैम ओपन नहीं हो रहा था.
बेटा आपका इतना सारा काम इनकम्प्लीट रह जाएगा, आप कैसे करोगे? गूगल क्लासरूम आता है आपको ऑन करना?
मैम यस.
गूगल क्लासरूम में से पूरा काम कंप्लीट करोगे क्लास वर्क और क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 तक सारे पार्ट्स सब every child of my class will complete all the parts till question number 6. I will write the same in Google Classroom today. In your part till question number 6 all the parts. I just need one class to complete this chapter now. And after one class I will come on Monday. From next Wednesday, at least for 2 classes I will do next chapter. और अगर होगा तो हम टेस्ट बीच में कभी और ले लेंगे. आपका टेस्ट बाद में ले लेंगे. I can take test in vacations also, don't worry. Okay? Keep preparing.
When will our holiday start?
Excuse me, end of the May.
हाँ जी.
Bye, ma'am.
काशवी बोलो.
मैम